I'm Donald Fernandez, Street Providence, Goa. Today we are updating you that the lady which was आमच्या ती बायल मेवली जे दोन भुरगीं असली आणि पोटान एक भुरगें असले की ती बायल आमी म्हटलेले थोडे सरकार डिपार्टमेंटान ताका हेल्प करूंक ना आनी ते एक डिपार्टमेंट हा तो कमिशन फॉर CWC कमिशन फॉर वेलफेअर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन नॉट गोवा चायल्ड वेलफेअर कमिशन. ही बायल येयली हांगा, ही बायल येयली आनी तिंका मेवलें आनी तिणें कितें तरी सांगलें तिणें तिका हेल्प करूंक ना आनी तेन्ना म्हाका राग येयलो. तेन्ना हांवें तिंका फोन केले, डिपार्टमेंटाक फोन करून सांगला मॅडम ही बायल तुमगेर येयले, तुमी ताका कित्याक हेल्प करूंक ना. ते आमकां एक एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलें वीच वॉज नॉट कॉमन सेन्स. सो आमी सांगले बायलेक ते कमिशन जे स्टाफ आहा ते कोण CWCन आमी एका आमच्या घरान वतले आनी तुका तर कितें करूंक जाय ते म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनान आहा. From the time this lady visited them and from the time I called was more than 48 hours. After 48 hours, I picked her up as a shelter home for abandoned women. Any shelter home can keep children with the mother up to 12 years of age. We have kept her in a shelter home, but not where the other ladies are. We have given a separate room, separate bathroom, and we have kept an extra caregiver with her. Whichever department feels or understands that this was wrong should first ask this department why on human म्हणजे मनीसपणान एक मनीसपण आसता. तुम्ही ताका कित्याक हेल्प करूंक ना. तूं सांगता ह्या ऑफिसांतले ते ऑफिसान वच पळय, हो एक सेक्शन, हो डिपार्टमेंट न्हू, हो इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट न्हू, इंटर स्टेट न्हू, हे मल्टिपल कॉम्प्लिकेशन न्हू. यू कॅन पिक अ फोन and say, okay, I'm so and so from this section, I'm calling that section, we have a situation, can you help? If there was no transport, you could have called us. आम्ही खूप जाणांक ट्रान्सपोर्ट दिता, हॉस्पिटल, पुलीस, रस्त्यार आम्ही ट्रान्सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करता. बट यू did not inform us. We informed you that we are taking this person and you are saying how you can take this person. So what I should do? On humanitarian ground, we appreciate Sandesh for looking into the matter and for providing humanitarian assistance and then getting in touch with us. So I want to tell all government officials in all departments across our Goa administration, you need to get the Sarkar to the road, not the people to you. Sarkar तुमचे दारार. Means what? हांगा भिवपाची गरज आसा. आमी बोगर हेच हायलायट करतले how the departments are not supporting the poor, and this is a pregnant woman with 2 children. ती गोंयकार. So to all people following this matter, the issue is now how did the shelter home take the woman, pregnant woman with the child. Our clarification is we took it with a police order. The people came here, they met, the family came here, they asked them for help, and this office did not help them. They told them go to another office, which was absolutely not humanitarian basis. That is when I stepped in within 48 hours notice and I took, and I am ready to get any order, issue, summon. I have nothing to hide. This family and children will be brought back here to the police station or to this office. It is a temporary shelter. But government officials, especially on this department, they are doing a good job. I don't have any issue with them. We had an issue 4 years back. I will remind this department. 4 years back, there were 2 girls begging outside GMC during COVID. Same committee, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe different committee, but the committee is aware. There were 2 girls, their mother, father died in the hospital. Everybody saw them, nobody touched them. After 15 days, they were under a subway in Bicholi with their grandfather. There also people saw them, nobody. There was one inspector, Sanjay Dalvi, human means मनीसपण आसलें तेका. तेणें आमकां कॉल केले, आमी तांकां रातचे उखल्ले आनी तेजे दिसा कोवीड आसले, लॉकडावन आसले आनी बरोच पावस आसलो. आमी तांकां घेवन शेल्टर होमान घातले. आमच्या शेल्टर होमान न्हू, दुसऱ्या शेल्टर होम वेर देर आर ओन्ली चिल्ड्रन. आनी आमी रिस्क घेतले. हेंच्यांनी नेक्स्ट डे आमकां समन्स धाडले. पूण तेजो ग्रँडफादर आसलो. आतां आमी ताका कितें सांगलें, तुमी जेन्ना तांकां पळयतात, तुमी कित्याक ताका व्हरोंक ना. फक्त जेन्ना आमी हायलायट करता पळय, आमी ईच एंड एवरी रेजिडेंटाक सोशल मिडियाचेर घालता. आनी तेजे दिसा हांवें म्हटलें बाबा थोडे डिपार्टमेंट didn't help them. This is one department. For 5 months we kept those children because of COVID, and then they placed them in a shelter home. And today those two girls are about 14 years old, brown belt. They play all the instruments. They speak fluent English, and that shelter, that care home or CC, whatever home is looking after them there. पण आमकां तुम्ही धमकी दिना काय, तुम्ही CWC, तुम्ही हे ते आमकां धमकी लागना आणि आमकां रूल अँड रेग्युलेशन लागना. आमचो रूल पयलो ह्युमॅनिटी, फुडले लॉ मागीर मागीर पळोवया. आमी काय डुप्लिकेट मनीस न्हू, काय आमी काय अशे बेश्टे 8 वर्सां जाल्यार हांगा काम करता. So this department should understand why I got angry with them and what I told them yesterday. They will send me summons, I will reply to the summons. म्हाका इशू काय ना, आमकां खूब जाण summons धाडटा. End of the day, you have failed. This department has failed horribly when that pregnant mother, ते म्हाका राग येयलो. आनी हांवें तुमकां सांगलां वयल्यान, बाबा ती बायल गुरुवार आहा, म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आहा, 2 भुरगीं आनी आमी वता. So this thing, administration, please come to the ground, bring the सरकार to people's door. Don't make people get frightened. आमकां भिवपाची गरज ना, पूण सद्दाक भिवपाची गरज आहा. She came from Mapsa. Where was she staying? In Mapsa. Let us assume, presume and conclude when she was in the South Goa different. She must have gone to CWC or whatever, we don't know. But when somebody comes to your doorstep, what you will tell them? Rule and see, rules are not made for the poor. Because the poor are there, that's why there are rules. If you go on telling the, तू मात्र कायदो सगळ्यांक सांगता, ती बायल मरे, स्ट्रेस मारतो. तुका कितें जालें तो गाडयेन करून ताका धाडपाक थिंगा. तुका कितें करून व्हिडिओ कॉलिंग करून त्या CWCक सांगपाक सावथ बाबा अशें आमचे क्वेरी मातशें सॉर्ट आउट कर. तो सांगता थिंगा वता. शी मस्ट हॅव कम वॉकिंग दीस रोड or God knows how she came. I was not there. In the rain with 2 small children, one in the arm, one. It's not easy. You should have some humanity as a lady. I have humanity no matter which department I fight, with which department I have problem with. I will provide shelter to anybody, everybody, anytime. I will fight the next day. You provide shelter today and fight. Fala korno. Last 8 years, CWC themselves have brought children with mothers to our home, night time. When the state government law specifies shelter home for abandoned women with children, it is in the law that I can keep a child up to 12 years. I will accept. Okay, suppose for your query, I did not tell them. What is the need of I telling them and you didn't do your job? We'll go to that point first. Why did you not do your job? And I highlighted it purposely. I highlighted this issue because I wanted them to get up from their sleep. When I told you on the phone, you didn't get up. You are seeing report of social media. Okay? You are seeing a report of social media. The children was not shown on social media anyway that they are in my home. You called me. But I told you this. When you see something on social media, you all get up. But when somebody is calling and telling you, and I'm not even tipping you off, I am telling you facts that these children are in Mapsa police station, they are living on the road. What are you supposed to do? What else more you are supposed to do? So don't try to find fault with the NGOs. The NGO is not going to listen to you. That's why I said there are no rules for NGOs. Because we are on the ground. If you are on the ground, then there will be no problem with me. Na? And this is not one department. All the departments. Everywhere there are mental people on the street with disabilities. There are homeless people on the street. There are people who don't have anybody on the street. There are HIV people on the street. Nobody knows what to do. So आमच्या खड्ड्यार घाल. वता नो. Why I came today also I'll tell. Yesterday we had a 30 minutes meeting with Chief Secretary. He understood the problem and he said I will put a SOP so that henceforth all these problems are sorted. We are ready to work with anybody, anywhere, anytime. But you don't threaten me. You shut me down and then do whatever you want. One stroke. I am not going to fall for nobody's dumkies, nobody's threats and nobody's letters or summon. You should summon your own self first. In fact, the collector should summon them. They have failed in their duty today. Let us say this lady went out. Before she reached Mapsa, something happened to her. कोणाक बाट दाखयले पुलिसीक. ते सांगचे ना हांगा येयले. फाल्यां आयचे पेपर पळय. 3-year-old baby was kidnapped from railway station 1 year back. And today, after 1 year, the police have done a good job and found that baby. If these children were trafficked for begging, who is responsible? Somebody is. I am so upset. I am so disturbed. Yesterday, I took one injection also. This is utter nonsense in Goa. Zero administration is collapse. Your administration is not coordinating between North Goa CWC and South Goa CWC. Are तुम्ही department no रहे? If these people down, they had to be kidnapped. First of all, there are enough murders happening in Goa. There are enough rape cases happening. The police these हे तुमच्या दारार हाडले आनी तुम्ही तांकां त्रास करतात आनी म्हाका धमकी दिता तुम्ही काल आनी हांव धमकी घेतलो तुमचे कितें आमी कितें हे कालचे मनीस 8 वर्सां आमी काम करता हांगा तुम्ही फक्त 4 वर्सां वचता हांगा. Get out of your seats and go to the ground. Advertise that if you see children, call us. Give your numbers out. Why people are calling us? Why people are not calling you all? They may be calling. I am saying you are doing a good job. But here you all have failed. Collector should issue summons to them.
सिरियसली घेना काय दिसता हे लोकांक डिपार्टमेंट हे
See, their term is 3 years. They may be over. See, across Goa, no, even myself, I am frustrated. I am stressed. I am disappointed. I am admitting. They also may be getting, but they are paid or they are getting a stipend or whatever. What is wrong with the administration that this fellow does not know what that fellow is doing and that fellow doesn't know what that fellow is doing?
इवन दे आर गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स
Whatever, they are on a cut term or whatever. They are whatever. If they cannot manage, they should find a solution. But don't harass poor people like this. My query is, you took a social media post and issued a summons to the police. You try to issue to me also. Maybe you'll issue, I'll come. When I am calling and telling you, why didn't you get up from your seat and go to MAPSA? Why you are saying police didn't tell you? I told you, when you raid people, when you go out and conduct inspection, that time how you all go? On tip off, no? So I gave you a lead. Why you all didn't go? Why you all are blaming the police? If this scenario continues and the collector and the state does not sort it out, no police constable will ever do this work on the street. आमचे कामात तेच होता. So I'll go to the street, pick up people, take them to hospital, treat them, bring them to the home, look after them, give them medicine, and when they die, I'll bury them and you are giving me money. ते तरी काम करतात मरे. ते तरी काम करतात. एक पुलीस ऑफिसर काम करना मरे गोरिबाची हे कायद्या प्रमाणे. ते म्हणटा आम्ही कित्याक करूंक हय आमी त्रास जाता. This is wrong. CM should put all these people in line. This, otherwise we will escalate it. That gentleman has set an example. We have appreciated him. तो आमचो सोयरो दायरो न्हू. तो आमी तेका वखना सुद्दां. आनी तूं तेका समन धाडटाय आनी म्हाका सांगताय तूं शापता. This will demoralize the police. Already our administration is going down. This is the only department which is having some अक्कल to use for the poor and the homeless. ते तुम्ही त्रास करतात. फकाण झाले मला आमची तर. So this should not happen. That collector should issue a notice to them. DGP also should issue a notice and summon them and summon us also. They cannot deny it that I did not call and tell them.